The 2025 Volkswagen Golf has once again proven why it remains one of the safest compact cars on the road. According to the latest Euro NCAP safety assessment, the Golf achieved an overall rating of 5 stars, earning 80% for adult occupant protection, 86% for child occupant protection, 85% for vulnerable road users, and 79% for safety assist. These results confirm Volkswagen's continued dedication to occupant safety and advanced driver assistance technology. During frontal and side impact testing, the passenger compartment of the Golf remained stable. The vehicle provided excellent protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and front passenger. While the chest protection for the driver was rated as marginal, the overall structure demonstrated a strong resistance to deformation. In the side barrier test, the Golf scored maximum points for protecting critical body areas, while the more severe side pole impact showed weaker chest protection. Euro NCAP also highlighted the Golf's advanced safety systems, including its effective airbag performance, eCall emergency alert system, and multi-collision brake feature that helps prevent secondary impacts. The model's design ensures that doors and windows remain operable even during vehicle submersion, improving post-crash survivability. Child safety was equally impressive. Both the 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummies received strong scores across frontal and side barrier tests. The front passenger airbag can be easily deactivated for rear-facing child seats, and all child restraint systems tested were compatible and easy to install. The autonomous emergency braking system, called Front Assist, performed well in detecting pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Lane Assist and Speed Limiter functions add extra layers of driver support, while fatigue detection helps reduce the risk of accidents caused by drowsiness. Overall, the 2025 VW Golf demonstrates that modern safety does not have to compromise comfort or design. It combines intelligent engineering with human-focused protection for every journey. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.